Oh, my game's lagging a little bit.
There's so much people here.
Oh shit! Oh no! Yo, grab the board. Ow!
My
That
God!
definitely hurt.
I made it! I made it! Oh, I made it!
I'm racing this guy. We're confident racing to the. YB and Roy. We're playing a schedule, mate.
Oh, it hasn't let me pull out my parachute so many times. Not parachute, my skateboard. Like I have it
Dude,
perfect.
I gotta
and then
like
it
pull
doesn't.
up on my board or some shit. Oh shit.
Alright, did it. Come on.
Bro, why can't I put my board out there, man? Come on, man. I got that board out, man. No, it's just you're not making it, bro.
Are you serious, dude?
See, I don't know where you died at, bro. That's where I'm always getting. Jaden's about to eat shit.
There was 3 of them on top.
I made it right now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Come on, pull it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Bro's doing all this for 4 likes.
Oh, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on. It's definitely easier if you can make it to the 3rd one and land it, but for some reason it's a lot harder for me to pull out the skateboard on the 3rd one.
Yeah, exactly. And plus, it doesn't help that these goobers built a fucking ramp over here, whatever the hell that is.
Okay, I made it, I made it.
Whoever does it first, dude, I'll give him the meatiest, crispiest high five.
I'm trying to land off the crane, bro.
Yes, I made it through the window. I didn't. There's no way to land it, but I made it through the window.